Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today, I have to teach you a chapter titled "From the Diary of Anne Frank." This is the chapter which I have to teach you today. Means the chapter is "From the Diary of Anne Frank." This chapter has been written by Anne Frank. Anne Frank is a girl who belonged to Germany. And even it is also said that Anne Frank died only at the age of 15 years. And this girl was very courageous. This girl has hidden quality inside her, but she did not get opportunity to bring those very hidden quality out of her from the inside to the outside. Here it is said that this story is a autobiography. This is an autobiography story, and this story has been taken from a book. The title of the book is The Diary of a Young Girl. This is the original book in which whole story has been mentioned, and from this book, The Diary of a Young Girl, some part of a story has been given here, and the title has been given from the diary of Anne Frank. The purpose of this very chapter is to motivate the students. Means nothing is impossible, everything is possible, but only we have to determine, only we have to resist towards our goal. This is the purpose of this very chapter, and due to this chapter has been included in the syllabus. Here, this story narrates the situations related to World War II. World War II, and in this story, it is said that the Jews, people who belong to Jewish community, they were highly praised, they were highly punished by Hitler and the army of Hitler. Even it is said that people who got persecution in Germany, they were taken from Germany, and they were kept in concentration camp. This is the camp in which Jews were kept, and this Jewish community were given very bad quality of food material, very bad quality of medicine and other facility. Due to this, these Jews started to get suffer from different diseases, and at last many of them they departed from this very world forever. Here, this girl also got the same situation. She also got persecution with her parents, and she were kept in concentration camp, where this girl lost her elder sister, mother and other family members. Only girl Anne Frank and her father left. They survived in the world in the concentration camp, and the school which were allowed for the Jews, the condition of that school was very miserable. In that very school, this girl was going to get a study, and she was very active. She was also very naughty. So in the classroom, her performance was better than other students, and she had sweet relation, she had affection with all the teachers except math professor or math teacher. She used to speak more and more. When the teacher was teaching on whiteboard or blackboard, at that time she started to talk with her friends. Due to this, her math teacher became very angry, and he gave Anne Frank a topic named chatterbox, and he said that you have to write an essay on this topic. Anne Frank completed her essay. She showed that very essay. Again, teacher gave her a second topic, and that is an incorrigible chatterbox. Once again, she wrote the chapter very well. Teacher got up to mark explanation by this girl. Again, she was speaking. She was talking with her friends in the classroom. Then once again, the same teacher, maths professor or maths teacher, gave her a topic titled "Quake, Quake, Quake," said Mistress Chatterbox. And this girl was so intelligent that she wrote essay very well. And at last, teacher realized that really this girl had extraordinary talent. This girl should not be said anything. Then after that, the maths teacher did not say anything to Anne Frank. And it is said that when Anne Frank was of 13 years old, at that very time, on the occasion of her birthday, her father gave him a diary as gift. This Anne Frank has not any friend. Due to this, she realized that the diary is the best friend, and she gave name to her diary as Kitty. Means she named her diary as Kitty, and she said that her diary is the best friend, and her diary has more and more patience to listen her points, to listen her statements. So she started to write her feelings, everything whichever came in her mind in her diary, and she wrote the matters which she faced in her childhood. Whatever she faced in her childhood, she wrote in the diary. Again, she wrote about her family in the diary, and except this, a lots of things, including these lots of things, she wrote in the diary. Means she gave the full description in the diary so that the person who will read after her, they will be in situation to understand about her writing. And even it is also said that when she became 15 years old, at that very time she suffered from very infectious disease due to lack of proper care, due to lack of proper medicine, due to lack of proper food material. The food material which was supplied to the Jews, that was infectious, and at last she departed from this very world. But this diary came in the hand of her father, and her father realized that really if he had lost her daughter, but the memory of her daughter is saved in the form of diary, and this diary must be published so that her daughter must be immortal in this world forever. Then after that, her father contacted to the publisher, and at last a publisher became ready, and her diary entry, her diary, there are things which she mentioned in the diary, everything published, titled The Diary of a Young Girl. And this diary reached to all people who have great interest in the writing of this very girl. Means she became a source of inspiration for everybody. Even it is also said that when she also transferred to Netherlands, when she got migration, when she migrated from place to place, but she did not lose her patience, and at that time she did not feel upset. She realized that there is no need of any friend, only diary is her best friend, and whatever she wanted, she wrote everything in her diary. So at last I would like to say that this is a motivational chapter. Through this very chapter, author is telling something to the reader, and again the purpose of this very chapter in the syllabus is this, that every student should realize that really we are not in the time of Second World War, but we have better facility than Anne Frank got, and now we can do better than her. But for this we will have to make ourselves rigid, we will have to determine ourselves that we have to get our goal. So here nothing is impossible, everything is possible, but at first see the goal, starts towards the journey and complete the target. That's all from my side. Thank you.